How you guys doing? My name is Ryan Plaza. I'm here today with Mark Tudor. As you know, I'm always trying to bring new business insights, new business opportunities, and just knowledge overall. So I want to continue and do a series, and my first guy here with me is Mark Tudor. I'm going to let him talk a little bit about what he does and give his insight, and we're going to make this fun. So, Mark, how are you doing today?
I'm good, thank you.
Let's just jump right into this. And my first question I want to ask for you is, just tell them a little bit about what you do now, what are you working on,
Sure.
and just kind of giving them the rundown.
Yeah, my name is Mark Tudor. I've been a financial advisor for about 19 years. I do comprehensive financial planning for high net worth people. This involves insurance, investments, retirement planning, estate planning, taxes, and a number of other things. So I've been a stockbroker for about 19 years.
Nice. So how's that going for you right now?
It's going great. Obviously, the stock market's been a little volatile this year, but from a business standpoint, things can't be any better for me right now.
Nice, nice. So we recently spoke about a business opportunity that you're working on. Tell us a little bit about that. How did you get involved?
Yeah, it's interesting. My business has been great, working with financial professionals, business owners, and helping them with investment planning. But about 6 months ago, one of my clients, she introduced me to another business opportunity through a company called Young Living Essential Oils. And I really fell in love with the products and decided that I wanted to just basically start another business, and it's going really well.
Nice, nice. So that transition, how has that transition been for you as far as, being a broker and then, going into a little side business?
It's interesting. Obviously, I do have sales skills and networking skills that I've developed over the last 19, 20 years in the business that I'm in. It's been an easy transition to try to find people through my Rolodex, find people that are a good fit for the Young Living business. So the transition's been really good, actually.
Nice. And, there's a big difference between, your normal, finance world and that corporate world. And then, there's a conversation with, business opportunities as far as multi-level marketing and these different businesses that work on a different model. With that being said, what do you think is the biggest misconception, and how are you tackling that misconception?
That's actually a really good question. I had kind of a negative connotation about networking marketing in general, since people approached me about it over the last 15, 20 years. But I just like this type of company and the product that they have because there's a product that works for a lot of people. And the misconception that a lot of people have about network marketing in general is they look at it as a quote-unquote pyramid, and a pyramid is where you actually don't have a product and you're getting people to sign up for something to where they're not actually buying anything, and that's a really bad false impression that people have with network marketing in general. So with this, there's a real product. People have only given me positive feedback as far as me getting them involved with the product, and they've also given me positive feedback as far as getting them involved with the business.
Nice, nice. So, you're experiencing success in the financial world. You're experiencing great success in the Young Living multi-level marketing, success from that avenue. What do you contribute that success to?
Well, I guess it's a great question as well. It's twofold because when it comes to my financial advisor business, I love helping people, getting them to their retirement goals, helping them plan for their children's education. So I love that aspect as far as being a financial advisor. But when you look at the Young Living network marketing business, you get to help people as well in a different side of things. Obviously, I'm not a doctor, but some of these products do help people with a number of different, health benefits or aids. And it's been very enjoyable for me to help people in a different way, not just on the finance side of things.
Nice. And, I talk a lot about, vision, and I do talks on vision. What is your vision overall for life and business? What does that vision look like for you, and what is your vision, and kind of what is your why?
Yeah, am not quitting my day job anytime soon as far as being a financial advisor. I love what I do. Again, I get to help people in that regard, but my vision for getting involved with a whole nother business is it's creating a financial opportunity for me and my family, but more importantly, down the road, I would like to have the opportunity to maybe possibly set up a foundation and help people with the extra money that I'm going to be making from the Young Living business. So my ultimate goal, I love young children that are in like St. Jude's Hospital that are dealing with cancer. I love working with elderly people. So if I could have some type of foundation to where something that I could build through the financial earnings that I make at Young Living, I see a lot of opportunity with that down the road.
Nice. And we always talk about new books and new reads. Is there anything out there that you're reading? What is your daily reads? I know you're into finance. Is it a finance article? What does your daily reads look like?
Well, obviously, I do read a number of financial publications. I am a Wall Street Journal guy.
All right.
So I do have a number of inspirational books when it comes to business. I love Zig Ziglar.
Okay.
I mean, he's obviously a classic guy.
Definitely.
But as far as there is a couple other books that have been published by other quote-unquote distributors with Young Living that have really inspired me about network marketing that have worked well.
Nice, great. Is there any questions, anything you want to answer before we wrap up here, Mark?
No, I would just say to your point earlier, if you do have a negative impression about network marketing in general, get rid of it, because there's a lot of opportunity if you have the right product. There's a lot of excitement, and we can really do a lot of good for other people. And obviously, I'm motivated by money, so it's definitely a plus.
Definitely. Well, hey, man, it was a pleasure to talk to you, a pleasure to run some ideas and kind of see where your mentality and mindset is. And I'm excited to have you on the platform and look forward to speaking and building a lot more with you, Mark. So I appreciate your time.